We got a '04 Mitsubishi Lancer. This works for a few years. No turn signals. I've determined it was a multi-function switch. This guy right here, turn indicator switch, whatever you want to call it. I got the new one in, ordered it on eBay from a junkyard. It was like 18 bucks. Here's my old one out right there. To get to this point, you only got 3 screws. Phillips head. They go up underneath there. Get 2 there and 1 to the side. Take yourself a little flat head, and after you got those screws out, pop this. And the top cover right there will just come right off. Now to get your old one out, all you got is 2 clips right here. One here. Let's see, and one right here. Squeeze them together. And this one did not want to come out of there. I squeezed them together and used a little screwdriver and kind of wiggled it, and then finally it pulled out. Then we got our wiring harness right here. We just got to plug that in. So new one installed. It's a cake job, easy to do. And now we'll have turn signals again. Let's go. So, pop the covers back together, put the screws in. It's all done. Key on, engine off. Turn that on. Hey, turn signals work again. The funny thing is, before on my wipers, also my cruise control stopped working, but on my wipers, they wouldn't work on mist, and they also wouldn't work on another setting I can't remember. But replacing that multi-function switch also fixed that. I don't know how. It was fine having just 2 speeds instead of the intermittent and the mist. I mean, not having your fluid, you know, it's kind of a pain. But I was getting by. So yeah, fix those problems too.